Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Telegram number without losing data. So first, you need to open your Telegram app as you can see on your screen right now. And then tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen and you will find your profile. Then tap on settings and then here on this account, tap to change phone number. So just tap that option right there and then you can see change number. You can change your Telegram number here. Your account and all your cloud data, messages, media, contacts, etc. will be moved to the new number. So tap that change number and you will not have to lose your data right here. So just tap on change button right here. So here you can now put your new number and it will transfer all your data from that old number. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.